Welcome, people, bots, and algos of the interwebs. This is the Monday's edition of the Analyst. What is a CTE in SQL? A CTE in SQL is a common temporary table. In SQL is a temporary result set defined within the execution scope of a select, insert, update, and delete statement. With the insert, update, and delete, I suggest you be a bit more careful when using CTEs. It simplifies complex queries by allowing you to break them into reusable subqueries and improve readability and maintainability. Why do we need CTEs in SQL? CTEs are defined with the with clause, are defined using the with clause, and can be referenced multiple times within the main SQL query. This makes CTE a great alternative to subqueries, especially in cases where we need to perform the same operation multiple times or create a recursive query. I use CTEs in SQL. CTEs simplify query writing and maintenance by breaking down complex queries into smaller reusable components, improving code readability and modularity, enabling recursive operations on hierarchical data. Disclaimer: I introduced Analyst to ChatGPT. This example was created by ChatGPT, and so was the thumbnail created by DALL-E. Scenario: calculate the total sales amount per customer. We will use a CTE to first calculate the total sales for each customer, then query the CTE for further analysis. This is the example created by ChatGPT. This is the example created by ChatGPT. The scenario is calculate total sales amount per customer. So first, we will use the CTE to first calculate total sales for each customer, then query CTE for further analysis. Define a simple CTE to calculate total sales per customer. So, with customer sales as select, customer ID sum total due as total sales, from sales.sale order header group by customer ID. That's the CTE. Then we query the CTE. Select customer ID total sales from customer sales order by total sales descending. Here's the result. So let's do the explanation. Number one, CTE definition. The with clause defines the CTE name customer sales. Inside the CTE, we calculate the total sales sum total due as total sales from each customer from the sales.sales order header table. The final query. The select statement retrieves data from the custom sales CTE. We order the results by total sales in descending order to see the top customers.